Are you looking for the best countertop microwaves? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best countertop microwaves on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall. This microwave has enough room to heat food for the family and the power to get the job done quickly. The turntable is large enough to hold big serving dishes or a large casserole. That said, it may be a bit too big for those with smaller kitchens, so take note. There are 20 presets, including popcorn, reheat coffee and milk, defrost, and keep warm, as well as 10 power levels, with options for sensor reheating and cooking. The built-in, proprietary technology heats food evenly and speeds up defrosting time, so you'll spend less time waiting, no matter what's for dinner. The Genius sensor adjusts the power and cooking time for different foods, which is helpful. The Keep Warm feature holds your food at serving temperature and doesn't cook it any further. The Delay Start function lets you prep food, put it in the microwave, and start cooking at just the right time so it's ready for dinner. This is a microwave with all the bells and whistles. Capacity, 2.2 cubic feet. Turntable diameter, not listed. Cooking power, 1250 watts. Dimensions, 19.44 x 23.88 x 14 inches. Number 2. Best for small spaces. The door is operated with a push button, which saves even more space, though we found it to be finicky at times during tests. The glass turntable can be removed to clean spills and splatters. In tests, our 11-inch dinner plates didn't fit inside this microwave, so we recommend using smaller, salad-sized plates. As for power, we were impressed. We found most dishes were sufficiently reheated in the same amount of time as they would have been in an over-the-range microwave, despite the small size and lower wattage. To top it off, this microwave is equipped with 6 preset buttons, plus a custom memory option so you can program up to 3 custom cook times, a feature that's helpful for frequently microwaved items. Capacity, 0.7 cubic feet. Turntable diameter, 10 inches. Cooking power, 700 watts. Dimensions, 17.3 x 10.2 x 13 inches. Number 3. Best convection cooking. Microwave ovens are great for steaming and reheating, but they're not good at browning foods. This combination of microwave and convection oven takes care of that problem. You can microwave or convection cook the food separately, or you can use them in combination for super fast cooking and perfect browning at the same time. This doesn't have as many specific food presets, with just popcorn named, but it has buttons for air fry, auto bake, convection, broil, combi, air fry and microwave combo, low temperature, odor removal, and auto defrost. This microwave can fit a 12-inch pizza, a whole roasted chicken, or a casserole. It has a 12.4-inch memory turntable and a child lock to keep little hands safe. It boasts 1000 watts of power. Capacity, 1.0 cubic feet. Turntable diameter, 12.4 inches. Cooking power, 1000 watts. Dimensions, 18 x 20.6 x 11.8 inches. Number 4. Best commercial quality. This isn't a huge machine, at just 0.8 cubic feet of space, but it is built for quick cooking and long life despite heavy use. This has 1000 watts of power that it uses efficiently, feeding the energy from the bottom so it travels less than typical microwaves that produce the energy at the top of the cooking chamber. This doesn't have a turntable, so your cooking space isn't limited by that disk area and you can fit larger casseroles or arrange more plates and bowls without them tipping or wobbling. Many customers were pleasantly surprised with how quickly and evenly this microwave heated their food despite the lack of a turntable. The keypad includes Braille, with 10 shortcut buttons that represent a variety of cooking times. You can also program multiple stage cooking, with different times and power levels at each stage. Since this is designed for commercial use, the design is more no-frills and basic than stylish, but the stainless steel exterior would blend well with a modern kitchen's decor. Capacity, 0.8 cubic feet. Turntable diameter, N/A. Cooking power, 1000 watts. Dimensions, 13x 16x 13 inches. Number 5. Best white. White microwaves are popular since the color goes with just about everything, and this 1.1 cubic foot model from Farberware has a simple appearance that will look nice and neat without dominating the kitchen. The 1000 watt machine comes with a number of helpful functions, including defrost settings, a timer, dedicated pizza, frozen vegetables, popcorn and potato buttons, a pause feature, and a handy button to add 30 seconds to the cook time. The features are great, but several shoppers say this microwave can be noisy when in use. This microwave is simple, as the buttons are easy to use and clearly labeled. Though white is certainly a popular color for this model, it's also available in stainless steel, black, and metallic red. Capacity, 1.1 cubic feet. Turntable diameter, 12 inches. Cooking power, 1000 watts. Dimensions, 16.54 x 20.2 x 12.03 inches. Number 6. Best budget. If you are looking for a reliable microwave oven that does what it needs to do at a price that won't break the bank, we like the Emerson. It's straightforward to operate, with 6 different presets for commonly used functions such as popcorn, beverages, pizza, potatoes, frozen veggies, and reheating food. The design is compact, but should accommodate just about any microwaving need, whether it's reheating a to-go coffee cup or last night's dinner. One other point of interest is the cool reflective finish that distinguishes it from other microwave designs and is easy to clean. The turntable is glass and can handle plates up to 12 inches in diameter, and can be put in the dishwasher. The LED display can be read easily from across the room, but the buttons themselves don't light up, so it's not an appliance you can use in dimly lit rooms. It's also a little less powerful than some of the other options on the list, but if you're using the microwave for basic things and don't need a lot of power, it should get the job done. When in use, it's fairly quiet. Capacity, 0.7 cubic feet. Turntable diameter, 12 inches. Cooking power, 700 watts. Dimensions, 13.2 x 17.8 x 10.2 inches.